is delayed. So as a tradition, I request the representative of the UN office, Deputy Director or Program Director, Mr. Rajiv Chandran ji, to come and say a few words as an inaugural. This will be considered as the first inaugural address by a UN representative. We think that he is from UN office. This is the message he will give us.
Thank you, Mr. Malhotra. Mr. Dua, heartiest congratulations to you on this auspicious occasion of your Silver Jubilee. I think a big round of applause to Ahira and Mr. Dua. Friends, 25 years is a very important milestone in the life of any organization. And I think an organization dedicated to spreading awareness on human rights is a rarity in our culture, and that is why we are all here to support Mr. Dua. I have seen him and his organization flourish over the past decades, which is why the United Nations has associated him as a DPI organization. He is associated with the Department of Public Information in New York to spread the message of the UN widely here in India. It will not be an exaggeration to say that it is not Ahira that we are celebrating, but really a Hira that we are celebrating. And I think that requires a special round of applause. 10th December is observed as Human Rights Day around the world. But there are two main messages from the UN that I would like to share with you. The first idea is that peace, development, and human rights are a single continuum. You cannot say, let us first go to development, after we achieve that, look at peace, and then human rights. It doesn't work anymore like that, sequentially. In our complex world, peace, development, and human rights have to be tackled simultaneously. And the message of the Universal Declaration, in a very simple way, is to ensure that all human beings can live with freedom from fear and freedom from want. These are the two critical assurances of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Representing the UN Information Center, I would like to read to you a critical portion of the UN Secretary General's message, His Excellency Mr. Ban Ki-moon. I am not reading the full message, it's available here to all of you, but just the critical paragraphs that emphasize the significance of why we are here today. Message of the UN Secretary General. Human rights belong to every one of us without exception. But unless we know them, unless we demand they be respected, and unless we defend our right and the right of others to exercise them, they will be just words in this decades-old document. That is why on Human Rights Day, we do more than celebrate the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. We acknowledge its enduring relevance for our own times. The importance of human rights has been underlined over and over again this year. Across the globe, people mobilized to demand justice, dignity, equality, participation, the rights enshrined in the Universal Declaration. संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासचिव कहते हैं 10 दिसंबर के मानव अधिकार दिवस के अवसर पर कि मानव अधिकारों पर हम सबका हक है और उसमें कोई अपवाद नहीं है। लेकिन जब तक हम उन्हें जानेंगे नहीं, जब तक हम उनका सम्मान किए जाने की मांग नहीं करेंगे और जब तक हम उनका उपभोग करने के अपने और दूसरों के अधिकारों की रक्षा नहीं करेंगे, तब तक वे दशकों पुराने दस्तावेज में महज शब्द बनकर सिमटे रहेंगे। इसलिए मानव अधिकार दिवस पर हम 1948 के मानव अधिकारों की सार्वभौम घोषणा के अनुमोदन का उत्सव मनाने के अलावा आज भी उसकी चिरंतन उपयोगिता को स्वीकार करते हैं। This was the brief extract from the message of the Secretary General on Human Rights Day. Once again, congratulations to IHRA and its Hira, Mr. Dua. Once again, I hope that this year you will also be a member of the UN ECOSOC as an NGO affiliated for the valuable work that you have been doing. Our branding, the UN branding, as many organizations know, is a cherished branding, but it's not available to everybody. Very few NGOs enjoy the status of being associated with the UN. IHRA is one, and I congratulate you on your good work. Thank you.
Inaugural session on behalf of the diplomatic community of Delhi, international community of Delhi, I request His Excellency